Your home is more than just a roof over your head. It's probably the biggest single investment you'll make in your lifetime. And your roof is undoubtedly the most important part of your home. It protects your whole house against every weather condition, rain or shine. So it's essential that you look after your roof to protect your family and your investment. And even more essential that you use a reliable roofing contractor to carry out any repairs. Leaks, dripping, buckling, or damaged shingles all need professional attention. Don't let your roof become your biggest regret. Get quality service from a name you can trust.